Hello, welcome to this Long Island weather alert. I know it is very late in the wee hours of July 5th. Hope you all had a great July 4th. But we are dealing with wildfire smoke, and we are dealing with some near-surface wildfire smoke as well as aloft. Today we did have plenty of sun, a few clouds, and unfortunately there was a bit of a haze in the air today. I did go to the Pine Barrens. I'll have a short video from there. You could see a little bit of that haze, not really a deep blue sky. And then as we got, there was like a lot of haze in the morning. Then it got a little bit better in the early afternoon, and then toward late afternoon it started getting worse again. And toward sunset, well, this is what it looked like. You could see the smoke really thick here. The sun very red and dim as it was setting, just really, and then after the sun had set, a very red sky, and that's all smoke you're looking at right there. That's all smoke. And then this evening, the smoke was very easily seen in the air today, and we have unhealthy air quality. There's no air quality alert issued. I don't think. Let's go to the Weather Service page. No air quality alert issued by New York State. Dropped the ball big time. We have unhealthy air quality right now across the area. That is red right there that you see on the air quality meter there. Unhealthy. So air quality alert. I'm saying air quality alert for our area. Let's go to the purple air map here. We'll look at the map, and you'll see all the bad air quality that we're dealing with right now. So you can see, look at some of this bad air quality that we got. A little further north it's better, but look at some of these air quality. Oh my gosh, 215. This is unhealthy air. And it looks like there's a lot of PM 2.5 here. Let's see if we can move that over. I guess not, but I'll move it over there. You can see there's a lot of PM 2.5. Oh my gosh, it won't let me move this over. But that's the graph right there. If you can see this here, hopefully you can see that. See how it just like exploded as we got toward, let's see what time, around 7 o'clock it started going off the charts, and we're at 2:08. So we're dealing with some near surface smoke, and this is smoke from wildfires in Canada. Now, maybe some of it's from fireworks displays, but I think a lot of it's from wildfires in Canada. PM 2.5 here is between 201 and 300. I don't know where this is technically New York State's job, I believe. But again, what we're seeing here is really bad air quality. This is very visible on this satellite we're dealing with here. I'll just run this satellite through 150 here so you get an idea of. We had some clearing, and then the smoke kind of got worse again. Here's that smoke again. And I showed you a clip from this morning of the smoke. We can go way back here. I have to go way back here, but you can see. This is what it looked like this morning, and you can see, look at all that smoke that is over us. There was thicker smoke to the south, but you can see this thicker smoke, I think, moved back in. And this is all coming from, again, wildfires in Canada. So go to the full MODIS, for the full CONUS satellite. Hopefully we can get a better view of this. The site seems like it wants to act up again. It seems like whenever I go to the CONUS, it seems like it just doesn't want to go. I think we had this problem last night, too. We'll go to the MODIS instead. That doesn't want to work. And now the MODIS doesn't want to work. Okay. I don't know what's going on. But both those sites just decided not to work. So let's look at some of the observations that we got right now. I'll just go over what is going on here. This thing. I think I finally loaded. Okay. So go here. We'll show you this smoke cloud here. You can sort of see it here going over our area. And this is all coming from wildfires up in Canada. You can see smoke over here. It's not, and some of it's near the surface. So this satellite's a little misleading. Yeah, I don't know. We're having some issues with the computer tonight. So we'll just go over our weather just briefly here. Show you what the day was like today. Loading this all in from the day, and you can see we had northwest winds throughout much of the day. Temperatures got into the low 80s. The dew points were a little higher in the morning, and then they dropped to the mid-50s in the afternoon. But then we had a sea breeze that did kick in I guess, after 6 o'clock. That dropped the temperatures again down back into the 70s. The dew point did go up higher, so there was a sea breeze. But now the winds have become northeast again, and now it's saying mist and haze. I don't think we have mist. I think we have haze. I don't know why that site is saying that. Let's just see what Farmingdale is saying. I'm kind of curious. I'm not going to go over the highs and the lows. This is really just a brief weather alert just about the haze. Let's see what observations. So there's the visibility here. Yeah, we have haze. Some of these haze is very thick, down to 1.7 miles. So again, everybody's dropping the ball on this, but I'm here mentioning that we do have an air quality alert. I'm issuing it for haze, wildfire. This is all due to wildfire smoke, and you can see, and maybe some fireworks display smoke too mixed in. I think mostly wildfire smoke. So let's go look at the smoke model now. That's the only model I'm going to show you here. Let's go to that. We'll go to the 0Z. And we're going to first start with the near surface smoke, because we're definitely dealing with some of that right now. You can see that there is some near surface smoke. And yeah, we're going to have some of that around tomorrow too as well, you can see. So there will be some smoke around. This is the near surface smoke, and you can see it looks like another cloud is coming in that we'll have to watch for later in the week. Let's go to the vertically integrated. So yeah, you can see that. There'll be some haze in the sky tomorrow too as well. So definitely. And I'll just briefly go over the models here. This high is going to be on top of us for one more day tomorrow, so we'll have dry air, but it will be getting cloudier, and we'll be dealing with some more of those high clouds as well as the smoke. Just go over this real brief just to show you what happens tomorrow. So you could see tomorrow we'll start off with a northwest wind, and the dew points will still be pretty low tomorrow. So it'll still be comfortable, maybe a little warmer than today. Temperatures tonight not really dropping as much, as probably only 60s. And then tomorrow it will be a little hotter, probably mid to upper 80s probably tomorrow. Clouds, again, we will have more in the way of high cloudiness tomorrow. There'll be sun, but it'll be filtered by some high clouds, jet chunk, mixed in with a little bit of wildfire smoke as well. So that's what we got going on right now. Again, air quality issues on Long Island tonight, and most likely will be around for at least part of tomorrow as well.